What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for checking this video out. I actually just finished cleaning up the car, headed out for a little cruise, trying to test out these new Hoosiers I put on here. So far, so good. I think I got to lower the tire pressure a little bit more, and with some heat in them, they should hook pretty good. But tomorrow, I think I'm going to meet up with Iconic GT500 and Streetspeed717, and if everything goes right, I think I'm going to get some runs in with his ZR1. A lot of you guys, everybody knows who he is. Everybody knows it's fast, so I think I'm going to lose, but I think it'll still be a pretty cool race. So I'm pretty excited about that. So make sure you guys click that like button and subscribe, and let's head out and see what happens. Well, this is it, guys. Iconic GT500 just texted me. He's actually on his way. I'm going to get this turd warmed up, and we are going to go head out and meet up with Streetspeed717. So it should be a good day. It's supposed to be beautiful out today, so it's going to be a good cruise. So let's roll out. Filling up before we head out. Iconic GT5. This is the only thing I can't stand, the stop signs and shit.
This one's not a stop.
Oh, that's right. Sounds sick in the downshifts. You hear that? Yo, these tires so nice out here. All right, guys, we finally made it up here. Made good time, too. About an hour and a half. Just waiting on Street Speed to get here. Found some other cars here, too, so I'm going to see what Iconic's doing right now. I think he's filling up on E. Beautiful day out. Race car life, man.
I don't need any extra weight in the back.
Yeah, no.
They are not here to meet up.
They're just out cruising, I guess.
Yeah, they're going.
Cool. Try 20. You said 20? We'll try 20. 20. Fingers crossed. Let me check my meth. Make sure I'm good to go. Oh yeah, we are full, baby. We are full. Should be good to go. Let's hope. Let me check tire pressure. I'm such an idiot. At least I know my alarm works. Okay, change of plans. We're not meeting Mike here. We're actually going to meet Mike right now. We just came here so he could fill up on the 85. But all right, now we're heading out. Oh, made it up here. Got some other cool cars up here. Gonna be a badass day.
Oh, so it's closed.
Oh yeah, I'm getting gapped today. There's a lot of sick shit here. Whew.
I trailered to South Carolina. There were no track vehicles.
Nice booster. ZR1, Pro Charge G8, Twin Turbo Coyote. It's gonna be a good day. If we can get clean runs in, it's gonna be a good day. Whew.
Wait.
He's probably like, who the hell are all these people? There he is, boys. He's on E. I smell it. I'm gonna get gapped.
What do you guys like my headgear, dude? Heck yeah.
Hell yeah.
It doesn't look like that impairs driving at all.
No, it doesn't impair driving at all. When I race, I just put it to the side.
Yeah, perfect.
So it's still totally safe. So we got everybody out today. What's up, brother? Good to see you again, dude. How you guys doing?
How you doing, man?
Nardi, I know. We talked on Instagram.
Yes,
We
sir.
met before.
Yes, sir.
Is that how you want to go cross?
Yep.
A little bit. What's up, man? Good to meet you. You don't really see it, Don't really see it. No, honestly, it's so close.
Car looks crazy.
It's so close. Like,
What's up, man? I smelled a little something when you were pulling in.
did you? What'd you smell?
I don't know.
Smelled that pump 93.
I did.
Got that good sheets 93.
Hell yeah. The tires look good.
They're alright. They're brand new. Take off, and I don't know if I'll catch you. That's gonna be rough, dude.
Well, like that's what I mean. Like these cars are. I think right now it's going to be a driver's car.
It's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
Yours too. You got those new Hoosiers on now.
Yeah, hopefully they work.
These guys show up on real tires.
Hopefully they work.
It's running like
Does that have a
15 and a
does that have
half,
102
16
throttle
pounds
in
of
it?
boost.
102 throttle?
It's a 108.
What do you think it made for power?
Haven't had it on the dyno yet, but it should be in the, high 7s, low 8s, I would imagine.
Who ported the blower? Was it Kong?
Jokers.
Oh, Joker's Performance. It should be a hell of a race, man. I think you're going to pull me up top, but it should be good. So you're on E now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're going to destroy me.
He's ready, I guess. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Good shit. I hit limiter 2 and 3rd.
Oh, shit, big turn.
Big turn, big turn, big turn. We're good.
Ready? 1, 2, 3!
my street speed right now. I love those taillights. Those things are sick.
Let me know when.
All right. Good. 1, 2, 3. He got me on that one. Yeah. That thing's quick.
Let me know when. Good.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, that was good. All right. Man, he told me to give him the hit. I'm gonna need it.
You want me to tell him 60?
Tell him whatever, 50, 60.
Ready?
Hold on. All right.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yo, as he was coming around you, he was like this. Give you a hard hit too.
Nah, good shit, Mike. Good shit. That was awesome, buddy.
Look.
Oh, no. He got me on that one. Woo, that was fucking awesome, though.
Steamrolls, holy shit.
Hell yeah, dude. It's that auto. That A8 is awesome.
Ready? Ready?
1, 2, 3.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Dude, thank you so much for that, bro.
Yeah, you got
Dude,
it.
that was awesome. This car is,
the awkward.
it's all right, man. This thing is ridiculous.
It's fast. I know we've been talking about getting a run in for like 6 months.
Yeah,
So glad
yeah,
we
yeah.
finally did it. Oh my god.
Dude, that was awesome.
was
Dude, that was sick. That was sick.
The slower speeds, I was spinning pretty bad. The first two were like 45.
Okay.
maybe, but I just had no heat in the tires.
Right, right.
But once our cars are tight.
Dude,
He got the hit on you and he was probably out like over half a car maybe.
the no lift is what gets me.
Yeah.
That's exactly
Yep.
what he said. It was no lift.
But,
It's hard to get
so,
from the hit.
dude, hell of a fucking day. Hell of
Yeah,
a
it's a
day.
good day.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Yes. What the first thing? First asshole never tells me.
And then you two went blowing by. I'm like,
All right, as you can see, I got gapped. Pretty much expected. What is this guy doing? But man, what a good day. What a good day. Props to Mike, Street Speed. His car's badass. Down to earth guy. Props to the ZR1. That thing's fast. Love that wheel. All right, guys, we just met up with everybody else. Apparently they went out for some runs and it's not looking too good. I think somebody might have blew up. So let's check it out.
I have a card.
Oh, thank you, sir.
All right, I gotta roll. I gotta go pick up a trailer.
All right, man. You're the savior for today, huh?
Apparently.
Not good, huh?
No, he heard it, dude. It's locked up.
God damn it. I hate seeing that happen.
But it was running strong right before.
I want to try and make it home. And then we came over, watching it idle.
That's racing. All right, I'm gonna head out of here. John,
Nice meeting you, buddy.
good times, man. Car's
Have a
sick.
safe trip.
Everybody, it was great meeting you guys. Beautiful car, but this sucks.
It sucks.
I hate seeing this happen. All right, time for our long ass drive home. Shout out to Billy for all the videos today. My co-pilot. Check out his Instagram. Oh man,
It's a little chilly down here now.
it is cold.
Not behind the building no more.
Shout out to the stock bottom men LS7 putting in work. 6 pounds pump gas car. Still chugging along. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys, just got back from racing Street Speed and everybody else up there. And hell of a day, hell of a time.
Met a bunch of cool people. Mike's real down to earth, real nice guy. Just an awesome time. And finally got this thing cleaned up from the ride home because it got destroyed. But nice and clean now. I'm gonna clean the windows and stuff, get the bugs off and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And I'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks a lot, guys.